welcome back to our channel and another day at Disneyland Paris. Okay, here we go into Phantom Manor, my favorite. Sienna has Haunted Mansion ears she wants to show you.
In this gallery, where you gaze upon the sweet innocence of youth. Perhaps you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge. There is much to see, so look alive and stay together. I'd hate to lose you so soon.
It's so cool. I want to find these ones.
I will see.
Ah! Wow. Oh my gosh. So cool.
Seated, please.
Someone was in the mirror.
Welcome. All our ghosts have been dying to meet you.
We were about to get on Pirates, and there's this whole area in a cavern. It says Davy Jones' locker. But look, we just walked up these stairs. There's treasure down there. Disneyland Paris has so many little areas like this that are just kind of like hidden. Definitely lost my family in a cave. Can't see anything. Just gonna try to find my way out. Okay. All right, found my family. And now we are headed on to Pirates. There's some treasure.
Stade Fort-Bord! Faites-moi une offre pour ces bras-là qui s'est conifiché!
Eh bien, parole de pirate. Tu peux toujours chercher Capitaine Jack Sparrow.
All right, we are back in Fantasyland. Okay, Alice's Curious Labyrinth. We also saw a Mr. Toad restaurant over there. It's Toad Hall, but it's a restaurant. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is cute. Oh, someone's on the door. Who is it? Oh, we're lost.
Spin it, Sienna. Sienna, spin it.
Oh my gosh, the Queen of Hearts just popped out of here. Wow, you can come inside the Queen of Hearts castle. Where to go? I don't know.
Veuillez rester assis et ne pas quitter votre véhicule. Veuillez rester assis et ne pas quitter votre véhicule.
Please remain seated. Stay in your vehicle. Please remain seated. Stay in your vehicle.
Okay, Sienna and I are going on the Buzz Lightyear ride. What? Alien in a box. Okay, so Kenzie and I are about to go on Hyperspace Mountain. I'm nervous, and she's telling me I'm gonna have a good time. Apparently it goes upside down 2 times. All right, here we go. Okay, that was definitely thrill ride. It's a mix of Star Tours, Space Mountain, and Rock and Roller Coaster. Oh yeah, but like the Star Wars, because there's Star Wars, but it's Space Mountain, but you also shoot off really fast. So, woo! Okay, so now Sienna and I are going to come into here.
It'll get interesting.
It's gonna get more interesting.
Yeah, there's just gonna be more.
Okay,
Fun.
I'm excited. Okay, this is Captain Nemo's room. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. Are we in the submarine yet? Yes. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh, it has like Mickey ears on that underwater suit. Wow. The Kraken.
Dolphins are highly intelligent and extremely social creatures.
Wow. Look at this giant organ. This is what the submarine looks like from the outside. It's right in front of Hyperspace Mountain. So we're hoping to see the drone show in like 10 minutes. The drones above the castle here, this is unique to Disneyland Paris.
formidable fortress. We need to secure the area. Yes, not today, sir. Star Command, send reinforcements.
That's so cool!
To infinity and beyond!
Il suffit d'un battement de cœur pour que la magie prenne vie.
When you find love in your heart, the world becomes a magical place. Magic lives on in the memories of loved ones.
They just proposed! Oh my gosh! He just proposed to her! Wow! Oh my gosh! On our day at Disneyland Paris. We'll see you guys on another video very soon. Bye bye.